Are you tired of being stuck in traffic or shelling out too much money on gas? With urban congestion at an all-time high, thousands of commuters are searching for a better way to get around. Enter the top 5 best electric scooter, a game-changer in personal transport. Enjoy effortless commuting with its sleek design, eco-friendly operation, and impressive battery life. Say goodbye to parking woes and hello to a smoother ride. Ready to transform your daily travel? You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Chillafish Scotti Glow 3-Wheel. Get ready for fun with the Chillafish Scotti Glow 3-Wheel Lean-to-Steer Scooter. This bright pink scooter, designed for kids age 3 and up, packs in features that make every ride an adventure. One standout feature is the light-up wheels. As your child scoots along, these vibrant lights bring excitement without needing batteries. Kids love the visual spectacle, and it adds an extra layer of enjoyment to their riding experiences. Another great aspect is the lean-to-steer mechanism. By simply leaning, young riders find turning effortless. This design helps improve balance and coordination, making it a fantastic choice for beginners. Safety remains a priority with the reinvented twin-tip deck. With an integrated foot brake, kids can stop easily when needed. This feature gives parents peace of mind while allowing kids to build their confidence on the scooter. Easy transportation is also a significant advantage. The no-tools detachable handlebar allows for simple storage and portability. Whether heading to the park or a friend's house, parents will appreciate this practicality. I absolutely love the adjustable height handlebars. This means the scooter grows with your child. As they get taller, you won't need to replace it immediately, saving money in the long run. However, you might find that the weight capacity is somewhat limited. While it works perfectly for younger children, it may not accommodate larger kids for as long. In conclusion, the Chillafish Scotti Glow stands out in a crowded market. Its fun features and safety elements make it a top choice for families. Check out this fantastic scooter today. Number 4. Hurtle 3-Wheeled Scooter. Get ready for outdoor fun with the Hurtle 3-Wheeled Scooter for kids. After extensive testing, this scooter stands out among its competitors. One of its best features is the folding design, using a rotary folding mechanism. You can store it easily or take it along on trips, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Bright multicolor LED wheel lights add an element of excitement. They make every ride a colorful delight, ensuring your child stands out wherever they go. This feature not only enhances visibility, but also adds a fun twist to daily scooting. Adjustable handlebars accommodate various heights, ranging from 24.6 to 32.8 inches. This ensures that kids of different ages and sizes can enjoy a ride that's safely tailored for them. With a weight capacity of up to 110 pounds, this scooter is suitable for little ones aged 3 and older, allowing them to grow and use it for years. Smooth rides come thanks to an anti-slip, wide deck that supports both feet comfortably. Cruising on this scooter feels effortless due to the impressive gliding roller wheels. Children can tackle any surface with ease, promoting enjoyable outings. Lean-to-steer technology sets this scooter apart. Kids learn to maneuver by leaning, fostering balance and coordination skills. This unique feature makes riding feel more intuitive and fun. One aspect to consider involves the scooter's weight. It may not be the lightest option available. However, this weight contributes to a robust build, ensuring durability during intense play. Hurtle's 3-wheeled scooter offers fantastic features that enhance fun and safety. For a compact, stylish and enjoyable ride, this scooter deserves a closer look. Number 3. Jovial 2-Wheel Folding Kick Scooter. Get ready for a thrilling ride with the Jovial 2-Wheel Folding Kick Scooter. This impressive scooter transforms urban adventures for teens thanks to its well-thought-out features. First, let's talk about the lightweight alloy deck. Its sturdy steel and alloy build makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. Teens of varying skill levels can enjoy its extended standing area, promoting a professional riding experience. Sessions feel effortless, whether zooming around the neighborhood or cruising in a local park. The folding design truly stands out. Space-saving capabilities allow you to take it wherever needed easily. Foldable handles and a PU rear-wheel foot brake deliver smooth, worry-free stops, ensuring that safety remains a priority. Plus, you can stow it conveniently in a car trunk or closet. Another appealing highlight is the adjustable handlebar. Riders can tweak the height for ultimate comfort, accommodating all ages up to 220 pounds. This versatility makes it a perfect gift for growing teens. A solid T-bar anodized clamp collar adds to its durability. Additionally, the smooth riding wheels elevate the experience. Equipped with 7-inch gliding wheels and ABEC 7 bearings, you'll find rides almost effortless, even on rough surfaces. This design features a mudguard front wheel, ensuring mess-free fun. One slight downside arises from the easy maneuvering feature. While Lean to Steer offers superb directional control, beginners may take a moment to master it. However, this aspect significantly enhances balance skills over time. What delights me most about this scooter is its balance of safety and enjoyment. Competing models can often lack one or the other, but Jovial hits the sweet spot. Dive into the world of riding. This scooter makes it easy. Check it out to see why it might be the perfect fit for you. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. SereneLife Kick Scooter. Kick your riding experience up a notch with the SereneLife Kick Scooter. This sleek, lightweight scooter accommodates both kids and adults, making it a versatile choice for the entire family. One standout feature is its lightweight alloy deck, which offers durability for both indoor and outdoor adventures. It supports riders up to 220 pounds, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the ride, even older teens. The extended standing area enhances control and stability, making it easier to navigate uneven terrain. When it comes to convenience, the folding design is a game changer. You can easily fold the scooter for storage or transport, and the included carrying strap allows for hassle-free mobility. Whether you're heading to the park or stashing it under a desk, portability won't be an issue. A smooth ride is guaranteed thanks to the robust 8-inch wheels equipped with ABEC 7 bearings. They handle bumps with grace, offering a comfortable glide. Additional safety features like the rear flashing light and non-slip deck provide peace of mind, whether riding on sidewalks or trails. Maneuverability impresses as well. With its advanced design, steering feels effortless, allowing quick turns and smooth stops. The PU rear-wheel brake adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring a confident stop whenever needed. Height adjustability also adds versatility. With 3 height options for the T-bar handlebar, riders can customize the scooter to their perfect fit. This adaptability allows for longer use as your child grows. While the scooter shines in many areas, it could benefit from a tad more cushioning on the deck for added comfort during long rides. Despite this minor quibble, overall experience remains exceptional. If you're seeking a reliable, fun, and safe scooter, dive into the SereneLife Kick Scooter. Check it out now and experience the ride for yourself. Number 1. 3-wheeled scooter for kids ready for a wild ride? The 3-wheeled scooter for kids is a game changer. This versatile toy seamlessly transitions between sit and stand modes, making it perfect for toddlers. With its unique flip-out seat, even the youngest riders can hop on and cruise comfortably. Vibrant multicolor wheel lights are a standout feature. As kids scoot along, the lights flash in an array of colors, adding excitement to every adventure. Parents will appreciate how these lights capture attention and enhance safety, so little ones can ride worry-free. Adjusting the handlebar to fit growing kids is effortless. With 4 height options ranging from 25.5 inches to 34 inches, this scooter accommodates ages 1 and up. Sturdy construction supports a weight capacity of 132 pounds, accommodating a range of kids and ensuring it lasts through their riding years. Smooth rides become a reality with the wide anti-slip deck. It easily fits both feet, allowing children to balance well while riding. The 120mm by 80mm gliding roller wheels handle uneven surfaces with ease. Parents will love how this scooter makes outdoor play, well, a breeze. Lean to Steer technology promotes natural movement. Kids learn balance and coordination without the hassle of turning a traditional steering wheel. This ride encourages fun while developing essential motor skills. While the scooter excels, its weight may be a bit heavier for smaller toddlers. This feature could pose a challenge when lifting for transport, but it instills ownership and responsibility in young kids. You'll appreciate the effort they make, building strength as they grow. All things considered, this scooter stands above its competitors. If you're seeking outdoor fun and versatility for your child, this model checks all the boxes. Explore this fantastic scooter and get ready for outdoor adventures. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.